Today's video is dedicated to hit-and-run drivers. Enjoy watching. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'd be happy to respond to your comments below the video.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
This happened on May 25th, 2023 in Santa Ana, California, at the intersection of Willits and Sullivan. I forwarded the footage and the link to this video to the party of the silver sedan. I have not heard back or gotten any updates as of yet. In the end, the red SUV drove on.
It's the one that's like should have stopped. Like he just like hit her so hard. Like, you okay? Yeah, you okay? Okay. Yeah, well, hope. Did he leave?
No, I think he's still there.
Okay. Yeah, go talk to him. Get the insurance. Do you speak Spanish?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't.
Sorry. Okay.
Yeah, it's all good. I think he's still there. It looked like he stopped.
Yeah, it looked like he stopped, but then when I was going, it looked like he moved forward a little bit, though.
Note the Ford F-250 in conflict with the Volkswagen. Southern California. We found the guy later that night. Note the white Grand Cherokee.
Girl, how many times did I break you? 3. And you didn't break any of those babies, huh?
No updates really. The driver of the white Jeep has never been found.
They care. I think at this point, Netanyahu, I think he's just Israelis in general. People, average people on the street, they want to take real drastic measures, and they're about to. And it's going to get nasty. And
Impact at 1 minute. Watch slight camera wiggle.
let's go to Gary in Kingsville, Maryland. Hi, Gary.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I called about what I'm doing, but since you're talking about Hamas right here at the moment, I'll throw my 2 cents in. I'm really surprised after all that Israel has gone
No.
through. I'm surprised that they haven't.
Listen for a racial slur, as well as the passenger threatening me and admitting that their kids were in the car. A rental car with no valid driver's license, felony hit and run, assault. The most minor of damage. I would have not even followed up, except that they took off. Probably wouldn't even have asked their names, let alone bothered with a report or claim.
You just hit me. You just hit me. It doesn't matter. I want to file a report. I don't care. I'm going to follow you to wherever you go for hitting me. I don't care. You hit me. Whatever you say. Hello? Did you hear that? This woman just hit me. They finally pull over. They're swearing at me. He says, if you follow me, I'll kill you. They can hear me. I don't care. That's why you shouldn't hit me. I don't care. You just admitted you hit me. No. Did you hear that? It's a Michigan license. Now she just threw a can into my windshield. Michigan license plate. It's a Jeep 4x4. Now they just threw a bag at me. EMK 3152. I have a dash cam.
Note the dark Honda HR-V. It then just left the scene of the accident. The truck driver gave the video to the other drivers. 8GZR 895. This hit and run happened at 10:03 p.m. on September 30th, 2023 at Upper Wellington Street and Concession Street in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. Unable to make out the license plate. It's not really clear if there was a chase for that Nissan or if the police just happened to be around in time. The ending of the story is unknown. I saw it happen and chased the car briefly on foot, trying to get to the license. You can hear me yelling at the end. The SUV was speeding and blew the stop sign as usual at this intersection and lost control. He crashed into the stop sign, my neighbor's yard, and my car. That was my car that was hit in the video. The suspect was found 2 blocks away. He actually called the cops and parked his car and tried to claim his car was the victim of a hit and run so his insurance would fix it without penalty. Why the other driver left is unclear. I saw them back up while waiting to turn left at the intersection. I think that they wanted to do a U-turn instead of a left turn. I backed up, but they really rushed to turn and hit my car and ran away. This was in Carrollton, Texas. I reported this to the police with evidence and captured the license plate, but the owner claimed it was stolen. I think it was not true, to be honest. They just parked the car somewhere and said the same to the police. Thanks for watching, and as you know it, have a great day.